Hey guys, welcome to Adele Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to edit your Discord server and invite a link. So guys, in order for you to edit your server, invite a link, first of course go to your Discord, and this will be the homepage. Now, once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and go to one of your server that you might want to consider to edit the server link to. Now here on the server tab, as you can see, you will have the server name at the top. So go ahead and tap on the server name. And now you will have an option over here, invite to server. So click on that. And from here, you should be able to share this link to grant access to your server. You will just simply copy it and send it to your friend, and your invite link can expire in 7 days. And you could also set it that the link will never expire. Now, another one is go through the link settings, and you will have the option over here to provide the multiple expiration of the link. You could provide the max number of uses, which you could really edit out your link based on your personal preferences. And you could invite a guest as well, where guests are automatically kicked when they leave the voice channel and they cannot see other channel in the server. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.